Hey guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Wanted to do another quick video for you guys. I have a platform here that you might be interested in. Maybe you're not, I don't know. But those of you guys that are leaning towards something quote unquote safer, this might be what you might be looking for because in this particular platform, you're essentially using a bot to trade your funds that you're holding in your own exchange account. Okay. This one here uses KuCoin and Binance. So as long as you have a KuCoin or Binance account and you have funds in there, you connect the API and the bot actually will trade for you. They can't run away with your funds because the bot can't withdraw from your exchange account. Okay, so essentially, if something happens, your funds will always remain in your exchange account. Now, that being said, there's other risks that you probably have to be able to manage, like exchanges getting hacked or exchanges limiting withdrawals. We've seen that in the past, but as far as rug pulls go, there's no way that EazyBot can rug pull and steal your funds because again, your funds stay in your own account. Okay, so before I move forward, do want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. Definitely not giving you any type of financial advice. You should do your own research, do your own due diligence. If you feel like you can tolerate risk and you want to get in, only put in funds you can afford to lose. Okay, so you can see here I am testing out the bot. I have two bots running right now. This red right here, this is not what the bot is doing. This is just the price of the coin that I'm trading. Okay, so I'll give you more data on what the percentage is that I'm making as we move forward. So stay tuned for that. But I've talked to a few people. There's been about 6 or 7 people that have shown this platform to me, like in the last month and a half. But I take a look at it, I watch it from a distance, and then I decide to test it out. From the conversations I've had with people, it ranges anywhere from 10 to 20% per month. Um, Depending on how the market is doing, of course. But what's cool about this particular bot is it actually is able to create profits for you in a down market. Okay. So let me show you the website here. Actually, you know what? Let me do this. Let me just cut to the chase here and kind of give you some bullet points. Okay. So number one, it's hands free. You set it and forget it. It takes about 10 minutes to set up. It's super duper simple. Um, so you set it and forget it, and essentially you can just come back to it whenever you want, and it'll trade for you, right? It's hands free. It also has doxed owners, so the owners do show their face. They run a lot of Zooms. They're very active on social media. The funds stay in your account, as I said before, so there's no risk of a rug pull. So those of you guys that are sick of that and you like to have more control of your funds, this is something that might be of interest to you. They use a hybrid trading strategy. They use DCA and grid trading. This allows them to create profits in a down market. Okay. The bot also is able to sustain a 50% market drop, which is very, very, that's key, especially with the market the way it is right now. We've seen 50 to 70% market drop over the last couple of months with the market. So, I mean, the fact that they can sustain a 50% market drop, that's pretty awesome. Again, you average anywhere from 10 to 20% per month. Again, it's actual trading, right? So there's no guarantees on how much you're gonna make as far as daily percentage, but on a monthly basis, it's pretty safe to say that you'll probably average anywhere from 10 to 20% per month, at least from the conversations I've had with the 6 or 7 people that I've spoken to about this. That's pretty much what they're getting. It's probably leaning more towards 15% to 20%, but I want to be a little bit conservative. But still, 10 to 20% per month, and you control your funds and you have access to your funds. If you decide you don't want to do this, you can just pull all your funds out of your exchange account. So you have total control. You can't beat that. Okay. Auto compounding also is available. Now it auto compounds per trade, not per day or per week. It actually has auto compounding per trade. Okay. There's also a ton of support. There's Zooms, there's groups. Now there's a free version of the bot. If you decide to use the free version, you can. It's a 70-30 split. So you keep 70% of the profit. They keep 30% of the profit, which is their fee, which is their fee for trading for you. The paid version is an 80-20 split. So you keep 80% of the profit, they get 20% management fee. And there's also an optional affiliate program. I'm not going to go too much into the affiliate program in this video because most people on my channel, they're not really team builders. They're more people that are looking for passive income. However, there are a few people that like to build teams. So I'll cover that on another video. Okay. But you can see here from the bullet points, it looks like a pretty strong platform. Again, the biggest selling point for me is, of course, there's doxed owners. That's always a plus, but the funds stay in your account. Okay. So you have total control of your funds. If you decide you don't want to do this anymore, you can essentially, pull your funds out of your exchange account and you're good to go, right? But they can't withdraw anything from your exchange account. All they can do is trade. Okay. So that's a big deal. Also, the other thing too is the fact that it works in a down market. That's also a big plus because everybody's a genius in a bull market. Everybody's, super smart when the market's going up. When the market's going down, can you still make profits? That's the key, right? So you can see here, it says crypto trading made easy, no experience needed. You can earn crypto 24/7. You can withdraw your profits anytime. You never close a losing trade. Okay, you never close a losing trade, and it's super duper easy. This is another big plus for me, was that it was super easy to set up. It took me about 10 minutes to set everything up. So again, it's super duper easy. There's tutorial videos, not even tutorial videos. I think it's one video, if I'm not mistaken. It's like one 9-minute tutorial video that walks you through the setup. You complete that and you're good to go, right? So it says here, crypto trading is hard and complicated. They've taken all of this away from you, so you don't have to really worry about it. You let the bot handle all the trades for you. Cool thing about a bot is it doesn't get emotional. It doesn't get tired. It works 24/7. And again, that's what you want, okay? So I like the design of their site too. It's very clean, very professional looking. There's a couple of videos here on the site that you can check out. There's also some videos in the back office. There's also a free marketing app. If you do want to market this to people, they have a free marketing app that helps you. You are able to text people videos, marketing videos. You can tell when they watch the video. There's a follow-up messages that you can send people. It's pretty cool, and you get it for free, right? So again, really, really simple to get started. You create your account, you create your bots, you configure your bots, and you deploy your bots. Once you deploy them, that's it. It's 24/7, hands-free, and set it and forget it. Passive income. That's what I like. I like to create streams of passive income. If you watch my channel for any period of time, you know that that's what I'm about. Okay, creating passive income where I don't have to touch it. Okay, so there's a video that I want to share with you guys. This is one of the leaders in the company. He actually breaks down how EazyBot is able to profit in a down market, what makes EazyBot different from other trading bots out in the marketplace right now. And he actually breaks down their strategy and how they do this hybrid trading. Okay, this hybrid trading that allows them to create profits even in a down market, up to 50% down market. So pretty awesome stuff. Check out the link below if you want to get started, guys. I'll do a full overview later on. So again, stay tuned for that. Just wanted to intro this to you, put it on your radar. If you want to kick the tires and check it out, log into the back office. It's pretty robust back there. And again, it's very professionally done. You can tell that they put a lot of time, resources, and money into these different tools for us. Okay, so again, check out the link down below. Check out this video. If you have any questions, hit me up over on Telegram or post it down below, and I'll do my best to answer it. Again, risk capital only, guys. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just showing you what I'm doing to create streams of passive income, and different ways I stack crypto. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Check this out. Peace.
Hey my friend, welcome to Elevation Guild. If you are looking for a powerful Binance trading bot that can handle any market conditions and continue to profit, then you are in the right place. We've tested over a dozen crypto bots over the last 3 to 4 years. Everyone's a genius in a bull market, but how do they handle crypto winters? In this video, I'm going to share with you our top recommendation, how it works and why it works, and how you can get access to it. So stay tuned. So let's dive right in. It's called EazyBot. It's compatible with Binance.com and Binance.us along with other crypto exchanges, and it may be stating the obvious for you, but your funds remain in your own control. In this shark-infested waters of cryptocurrency, there are so many promise-to-pay programs that are coming and going where you are giving away control of your capital to an anonymous website that is here today and gone tomorrow. However, your trading capital stays in your Binance crypto exchange. EazyBot has no ability to get its hands on that capital, as we're going to share and describe later on in this video. The base currency being used is USDT, and at the time of recording this video, BUSD, the Binance stablecoin, is currently in the final stages of testing. It uses a hybrid trading strategy combining dollar cost averaging and grid trading. Many times you will find these in isolation as a standalone DCA bot or a grid trading bot. However, they are not able to handle a market crash. If there is a crypto winter and coins fall over 70% in value, like we have seen recently in the last few months, you're simply left holding the same trades for an extended period of time. However, EazyBot has a proprietary strategy that allows you to basically continue to make profits and get out even without the market having to go back up, which we're going to discuss here in a moment. It's quite extraordinary. So to give you an example, in January of last year was the origin of quite a large crypto bull run where everybody who could spell the words crypto trading bot was releasing their own bot because, as mentioned, everyone's a genius in a bull run. However, there was a huge market value correction. Bitcoin fell over 50%, lost 50% of its value in just one single day. People using a lot of bots were obviously left holding the same trades for an extended period of time, which is an inefficient use of trading capital. One individual, however, who is the mind behind this software, figured out a way how to basically dig out of the situation without the market having to go back up, and that is what has been implemented into EazyBot. He figured out a way to pull down the average price for all of these purchases, all of these trades, and close it all out, sell it back into the stable coin without the market having to go back up. So the first 15% of a market drop is covered by dollar cost average trading. The next 50% of the market is covered by grid trades, which you can see an example of here. So it's a proprietary solution where 50% of the profits is instantly realized, is given to you. The other 50% is used to pull down the average price of those trades that are at the top. In other words, even if the market never goes back up, it's basically going to pull down the average price of the trades at a rate of roughly 2 to 3% per week. So eventually it's able to pull down the average price to the current market price and sell the whole thing. And the creator of this software has in-depth videos where he shows exactly how it works, which we will give you access to. It's incredibly powerful. So you can continue to make profit even when the market is falling 50, 60, 70% and get out without the market having to go back up. So here is a backtest using 1 minute tick data from the Binance exchange from January of last year all the way through that crypto crash that happened in May of last year, and this backtest runs right out to July, and we still averaged 8.89% per month despite that huge market crash. Here is the inside of our EazyBot account where we are trading 10 different coins. Some of the best results have been with Solana and Aave. These numbers that you see right here, the red and the green, that's simply how much the price of that coin has fluctuated within the last 24 hours. This value right here, you see the balance and trading capital allocated to those coins, and this is the profit right here. So close to 10% on these coins. And let's just look at Aave. We put it running on the 20th of March 2022. It's still done close to 8.5%. However, look at Aave, guys. So we started trading Aave around the 20th of March, shown right here. It went up to 243 and lost 70 to 80% of its value, and yet we've done 8.5%. It continues to make profit, and it has pulled down the average price to about right here. In other words, it's almost halfway pulled to the current market value. It's going to close out, sell all the Aave back into USDT without the market having to go back up. And just to show you one of the reasons it's called EazyBot, there's a lot of crypto bots out there that you would need a degree, and it's like drinking from a fire hose. There's 45 input settings, quite complicated. With this, you simply give it a title, leave it on default settings, select your crypto exchange, choose the coin that you want to trade, leave it on cycle mode, leave it active, enter the amount of capital you want to allocate to this particular coin, and click save. The bot is going to automatically compound on a trade by trade basis, allocating 3.39% of your trading capital to the initial order. We're going to talk about compounding here in a moment. And here's a screenshot that one of our clients sent us just a couple of days ago at the time of recording this video. The timing of when you enter the market is going to affect your results. He got into the market after it had fallen over 70%. He avoided that, and now he's capitalizing on all the choppy sideways price action that's happening right now. As you can see, Aave, he's done nearly 10% on Matic, on DOT, on Solana in just 3 weeks. Now that you have a basic understanding of how EazyBot handles a crypto winter and a market crash and continues to profit, what happens if the market is in a bull run or trending up? Let's say you're in a trade in Ethereum, it's going to enter the order. If the market continues to trend up, it will basically trail it. Once resistance is met and there's a pullback of 0.5%, it's going to take your profit and continue that cycle repeatedly over and over again. So the profits you'll experience in a bull market can be anywhere from 3 to 5 times what you'll experience in a downtrend market. And if everything I just said was like another language to you, don't worry, my friend. Even if you're a complete beginner, this is for you, whichever side of the spectrum you happen to fall on. The customized, out-of-box, optimized settings are time-tested, battle-tested, ready to go. It's as simple as what I showed you earlier when it comes to setting up the bot, and the amount of human intervention you need after that is minimal. There's some basic software management that we teach in the step-by-step tutorials, but other than that, it's going to do 99% of the heavy lifting for you. If you fall on the other side of the spectrum and you're an experienced trader, this bot is fully customizable. You can deviate and stray away from the out-of-box settings, and if you do happen to come up with something that consistently outperforms the out-of-box EazyBot strategy, then you will be compensated for that. I briefly touched on compounding and auto-compounding earlier on, which is a powerful feature of this bot and is not available in many crypto bots out there. If you are not familiar with the power of compound interest, it is extremely powerful. The blue line on the right-hand side represents linear growth. That is an investment where you have a fixed amount of capital earning you a fixed return over time. However, the red line represents exponential compounded growth, where the money that your money is earning you more money, and that effect compounding on itself over time is how you create wealth. This bot is not compounding monthly, weekly, or even daily. It's compounding on a per trade basis. As a hypothetical example, past performance is not a guarantee of future results, but if you were to be averaging 7% per month after 1 year with an initial balance of 5,000, you're looking at 11,500, but after 3 years, that's $62,000. So one of the things that causes traders, especially beginners, to lose their shirt is that they're using leverage. They get a margin call, they get into massive drawdown, they blow their trading account. We are not borrowing money here. This is simply spot trading. You are simply purchasing cryptocurrency. If anything were to happen to EazyBot, you would wake up the next morning with cryptocurrency in your own spot wallet inside of Binance. This bot is simply purchasing, buying and selling Matic, Solana, Aave, Cardano, whatever the case may be, whatever you choose to trade. The suggested allocated trading capital per coin is 600 USDT. That number is mathematically calculated for that market crash correction to withstand that 60 to 70% market drop and continue to profit along the way. EazyBot allows you to eliminate human emotional bias. Most traders need to cultivate an elite level of emotional discipline to be consistently profitable, but a bot never gets tired, it's never late for work, it's not going to get greedy when the market's going up, it's not going to fall into a pit of despair when the market is plummeting. It can simply do what it was pre-programmed to do, and that eliminates our emotional interference with our trading results. There is a free software version. You can trade any of the available coins forever. There is also a software service fee of 20% for the paid version, 30% for a free version. So if you're using a paid version, you get to keep 80% of your profits. If you're using the free version, you get to keep 70% of your profits. There is an annual subscription. It is not monthly, so it is very affordable. The advanced version is $250 per year. That allows you to trade up to 10 coins on 2 exchanges. The VIP version for $9.95 per year, which is less than $3 per day, allows you to trade all available coins on up to 5 different crypto exchanges. So the diversity is important because EazyBot cannot force the market to move. It rides the wave, it doesn't create the wave, and we capitalize on volatility. So when ADA is having a flat week, Aave might be making a move. So by spreading your capital over multiple coins, you're going to statistically increase your chances of earning consistent returns. The coins available to trade have been carefully hand-picked with multiple qualification criteria, such as market capitalization, the biggest drop that they've seen in the last 2 years, liquidity, how solid is the project behind the actual coin. There's no point trading a coin where there's no utility or its intrinsic value is zero and it's eventually going to go to zero. You want to be trading coins that are here for the long term. EazyBot connects to your Binance exchange with a secure API connection with a designated restricted IP address, and you are selecting trade only, so EazyBot can only send trade commands. It has no access to your capital, it cannot withdraw from your exchange, and 100% of your trading profits is going back into your own Binance spot wallet. There is comprehensive hands-on support with this crypto bot. Tuesday to Friday, every morning at 11 Eastern, there's a tech support call live. You can hop on, share your screen, get assistance. There is a support desk with a ton of articles, video and written tutorials for pretty much every troubleshooting and inquiry that you may have. You can also submit a support ticket, very fast turnaround. And what's really cool is you have access to the software creator. Every 2 weeks, the mind behind EazyBot pulls back the curtain. He reviews the previous week in the markets, shows you some live EazyBot accounts and how they performed and why they performed that way, for anyone that wants to geek out and really dive into exactly how it works. But if you just want a hands-off experience, set it and forget it, then you can do that too. And there is also an optional affiliate program that is quite lucrative and allows you to generate an additional stream of income with EazyBot. If you're a person of influence or you know people who know people, you should certainly take a closer look at it. Getting started with EazyBot is easy. You create your EazyBot account, open and connect to your Binance exchange and start trading with a couple of clicks. So the link below this video is going to take you to a page like this. Step 1, click and register your EazyBot account. Then click here to set up your bot. That's going to open up this page, an introduction video to help you choose what level of membership you want. And when you scroll down, you can see you can choose from Binance.us, Binance.com. KuCoin is also currently supported. When you click on Binance.com, you will arrive on this page right here that has step-by-step tutorial videos that's going to walk you through the process of setting up your bot. Well, I hope you got a ton of value from this video, my friend. You've made it this far, so I'm sure you resonate with the reasons we chose to use EazyBot as our spot trading crypto bot. If you got value from this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, my friend, and head on over to eazybot.io to get set up and get started using this bot for yourself. Hope to see you on the inside, my friend. Take care for now.